Chapter 4: Writing Strategies and Ethical Considerations. Welcome to this educational video based on research design, qualitative, quantitative, and mixed methods approaches by John W. Creswell and J. David Creswell by Sage Publications. In this chapter, we focus on two essential areas in research: how to write clearly and how to act ethically. Together, they determine how your research is structured, received, and remembered. Learning objectives. By the end of this video, you'll be able to identify 9 key components of a strong research proposal, compare how qualitative, quantitative, and mixed methods proposals are structured, apply strategies for writing clearly and concisely, address ethical concerns at every phase of research, from planning to publication introduction. A well-planned research proposal does more than organize your ideas. It communicates your intent, your method, and your values. While different research designs have different formats, all share a need for clear writing and careful ethical planning. In this video, we'll look at how to write effective proposals and uphold ethical standards throughout the research process. Writing the proposal. Every good proposal should address these 9 core topics. First is an introduction and clear statement of the problem. Second is the purpose of the study. Third is research questions or hypotheses. Fourth is philosophical worldview or assumptions. Fifth is review of the literature. Sixth is methodological procedures and design. Seventh is the role of the researcher. Eighth is ethical considerations. Ninth is study limitations and anticipated significance. This structure ensures that readers understand not just what you're studying, but why and how. Proposal formats by research type. Qualitative proposals. There's no single template, but common elements include the research problem and purpose, philosophical assumptions, procedures and data collection, the role of the researcher, narrative structure, ethical practices and validation strategies. Example 4.1 shows a constructivist approach. Example 4.2 shows a social justice framework emphasizing collaboration and advocacy. Quantitative proposals. Quantitative proposals often follow a traditional journal article format. Introduction, literature review, research questions or hypotheses. Detailed methods, preliminary data or pilot study info. Appendices for instruments and ethics documents. Example 4.3 provides a clear model to follow. Mixed methods proposals. These combine the strengths of both approaches. Typical components include a rationale for mixing methods, a visual design diagram, procedures for each phase, integration strategy, joint displays of findings, ethical considerations, researcher resource and limitations. Example 4.4 presents a full outline, designing proposal sections. Proposal length varies, but many institutions recommend staying under 30 pages. Your structure may be influenced by your advisor, committee, or discipline. Clarity and consistency are more important than length. Make sure your content flows logically. Writing strategies for researchers. The writing process. Writing is thinking. Don't wait until your ideas are perfect. Write to discover and refine them. Start with a 1-2 page overview to sketch out your vision. The habit of writing. According to Boyce 1990, productive writers write daily, work in short focused blocks, prioritize writing in their schedule, track their progress, share drafts for feedback, plan beyond today's goals, make writing part of your academic routine, clear and concise writing. Use the following structure. Umbrella thoughts, your big main ideas. Big thoughts, support and explain those ideas. Little thoughts, details, examples, and clarification. Attention thoughts, hooks, transitions, and interest. Connect ideas using the hook and eye technique, linking one paragraph to the next. Avoid wordiness, passive voice, excessive quotations or italicized phrases. Parenthetical clutter, grammatical fat. Ethical considerations in research. Research ethics must be addressed before, during, and after the study. Before the study. Follow standards from professional organizations, APASA, etc. Obtain IRB approval for human subjects research. Seek permission from institutions or communities. Consider vulnerable populations and their risks. Plan for fair authorship and avoid unethical practices like gift or ghost authorship. Reduce participant burden with short instruments and respectful recruitment. Beginning the study, choose a research problem that benefits participants. Be transparent about your purpose. Avoid coercion, let consent be truly voluntary. Respect cultural values and community norms. Use brief, well tested instruments and fair compensation. Schedule participation at convenient times. Collecting the data. Treat all participants equally. Avoid deception unless absolutely necessary and IRB approved. Minimize disruption at research sites. Collaborate with community partners. Avoid exploitation and power imbalances. Don't collect harmful or unnecessary information. Analyzing the data. Don't side with participants. Maintain confidentiality and anonymity. Avoid misrepresenting findings or falsifying data. Provide an honest, accurate account of results. Sharing and storing data. Don't plagiarize or duplicate publications. Use accessible, respectful, and clear language. Share your instruments and methods. Declare any conflict of interest. Clarify who owns the data. Avoid piecemeal publications that confuse your audience. To wrap up, good writing reflects clear thinking and organization. Good ethics reflect your values as a researcher. Together they build credibility, integrity, and trust. Plan your proposal carefully, write with purpose, and always consider your ethical responsibilities, not just to your field, but to your participants and your readers. This concludes Chapter 4, Writing Strategies and Ethical Considerations. The content is based on research design, qualitative, quantitative, and mixed methods approaches by Creswell and Creswell, published by Sage. In the next chapter, we'll explore how to write a strong introduction for your research study. Thanks for watching, and remember, good research starts with good writing and even better ethics.